doggies for tuning into the channel, and I'm going to fix this trunky for my boy. One of the very smart fathers, after it snapped, made sure that they put plenty of super glue on it, but of course they glued the whole wheel onto the trunk. Now again, that was a purchase which was on the side street corner, and now I need to find a solution, but I'm going to do something really nice here. I'm going to melt the whole thing together. So I'm not going to use glue, but I'm going to melt it together with a soda iron. Yeah, and that will hold it together. It's still not going to be strong enough, but it will hold it until I can then properly find a solution and glue it properly together. Yeah, that's what you have to do. Just melt it together nicely. Yeah, the plastic melts nicely together. It's better than any glue in the whole world, because this is its own material. Yeah, right. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, it's obviously not good enough because it was no material, so it did a little bit of damage, but it doesn't really matter, because what I'm gonna do, I pop that up here now. Yeah, so it's turning happily. I'm gonna put a nut through here, so the top of the bolt, coach bolt, the top of the bolt is gonna sit here, because this plastic is a little bit higher. It's not gonna interfere with the wheel. And on from the other side right here, I'm just gonna put, when this coach bolt comes through, on here I'm gonna put a couple of nuts, one to hold it into place and one to secure the like counter secure, and that stuff is ready to go. The whole thing is around like 20p to fix it, because that nut is gonna cost me 20p. Unfortunately I don't have one here, but that's more or less how you guys imagining it. This is like a coach bolt. Put it through here. Obviously the head of the bolt is gonna sit on the plastic. On the other end you use a couple of nuts to tie it up, counter secure it, and this wheel never ever gonna leave this trunky ever. Doggies for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment, and do not forget to hit that bell for the notifications. I'd say au revoir.